Hi, this is Jeffrey Rhoades from experimentalhomesteader.com, and before I begin, I wanted to say we did receive this item for free or at a reduced price for honest opinions. All opinions are our own, and today I am talking about the Eyeclub clock camera. This is the Wi-Fi hidden camera wireless alarm clock from Eyeclub, and this is what the clock actually looks like. It's in bright black. There we go. And we have it set where it's showing the time, the date, and the temperature. It flashes between the three items. This does come with an additional mini digital video camera. And I'll get back to that in a minute. Okay, so the clock comes with, in this box, there is instructions on how to set it up, how to get it started and everything. QR code for it, because it does have its own Wi-Fi that it is preset with, so you have to find it on whatever device you're using in your setup process. It's a little complicated in getting it initially set up. The instructions are good, but it does take some time, and it's a little complicated. So it's you got to follow step by step and really pay attention to what you're doing. Once you've got it set up, it's easy to use, has good video quality. You can use it on any smart device that is Android or has current iOS setup. So your iPhone, your Android phone. You can also hook it up to look at it to view on either a PC or a Mac using the web view. It does have a 24-hour continuous loop viewing of on the web, especially in your. You can set it up to motion be motion sensitive, and you can do 24 hours. The video resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. The frame rate is 25 frames per second, so it's excellent quality and speed. Has excellent low light viewing. Okay, it does run off of a battery. It's a DC 5 volt 1 amp. Sorry, trying to get this open. Rechargeable battery. This is also where you plug in your charging cable in the back here, and it does use a mini USB 5-pin charging cable. We had a little bit of difficulty with this. The battery doesn't seem to want to hold a charge for very long, and actually heats up quite a bit in the charging process. It does support a micro SD card up to 64 gigabytes. That is not included, but you can add that. It does have a full 1-year warranty and lifetime support through Eyeclub. The charging cable that it comes with is actually fairly long. Which is very nice. It does give you some room and range on it. There is a adapter plug for it, or you can plug it into the computer, a USB port on your computer, which is how we were doing it. We haven't used the adapter, which is why it's still wrapped in plastic. It does come with software for your PC or Mac So when you go to use your web browsing features, you run the software. It's all described in the instructions. Okay, it does come with this additional mini camera with its own charging cable. This also, this one requires the micro SD card to function. It only records onto the micro. You can't just use it, connect it up to view. What I like about this one, it actually has a little adapter here, bracket, that you can mount onto a wall or surface anywhere that's adjustable here, and it just clips in place. So you could actually mount this on the wall and adjust it and place it where you want it. But you can also take it off of there, clip it into a pocket, and carry it with you and do some recording that way. So it's very nice. I like these little spy cameras, but I do like the fact that it does have that nice bracket that you can attach it to, so you can put it in different locations, or just set it on a desk and have it where you can use it. The clock camera does have the camera on here is 160-degree view. When you're viewing it on your device, you can actually zoom in and out with the fingertips. It doesn't require a scroll bar or anything like that. So you can just pinch and zoom in and out, which is very nice. And it's small and easy to easily cleaned. You just wipe it off like you would with any kind of clock or anything. Probably don't want to use a wet cloth because it is electronic, but just a damp or a glasses cleaner type cloth, and it'll clean up really easy, and it's very nice. I like it. I'm a little bit concerned with the battery life. With a better battery in this, I think it would make it easier to place anywhere. Right now, because of the issues we're having with this particular battery, we have to keep it plugged in, and that limits where we can place it. But overall, very nice. Looking forward to using this a lot more, setting this up and being able to do remote viewing and everything. So very nice. Thank you. Have a great day.